I'm gonna tell you some good text effects. For that, let's open Instagram or text, extend it like this, go to the text effects and select this one. And here you can see, if you like, you can change the color, increase the width of this, you can change the transparency, and in the same way you can do the roundness of the corner. Make it copies. Now the turn is to select the animation. Select it, go to the animation button. I choose drift, and it should be this side. I can change this side. So I'm selecting right hand side. Here I will again select drift and the left hand side. In the lower bottom last line I will select this. Okay, so now can I add my now I can add any of the element or picture in it. Remove the background. Let's play it. It is giving you this effect. So in this way you can create beautiful text effects.